How to turn on or turn off theft protection remote lock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, scroll down, scroll down and click on lost device protection. So after click on lost device protection, you will see theft protection is there. So click on theft protection. So you will see remote lock is here. So click on remote lock. So if you want to turn on remote lock, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see remote lock is turn on. So if you want to turn off remote lock, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see remote lock is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off remote lock from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off the production remote lock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.